Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of a Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about decimals of chapter 3. In decimals, the define of decimals is the numbers of the form, the numbers expressed in decimal form. In short, the numbers expressed in decimal forms are called decimals. A decimal numbers has two parts. A decimal numbers has two parts. Such that decimals, examples of decimals is 235.35. 235.35. It is a decimal number. A decimal number has two parts. One part is before decimal point and other part is after decimal point. The before decimal part is called a whole number part. It is called whole number part. And after decimal point digits are called decimal part. It's called decimal part. And this point is called decimal point. It is called decimal point. Students, the number of digits are in decimal parts are called decimal places of digits. Decimal places of digits. Here two decimal places of digits. Take a 0. So here 3 decimal places of digit. Again 1 0. Then they are called 3 decimal places digits. So decimal places. Other thing is like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimals having same number of decimal places. Decimals having same number of decimal places are called like decimals. Unlike decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. We know unlike decimal change into like decimal and like decimal change into unlike decimal. Put the number of zeros. So revise today exercise 3b. In exercise 3b there are two types of problems. One is addition of decimals and another is subtraction of decimal. First of all, one question, take it, add question number 3. Revise exercise 3b, question number 3. Add 63.5, 9.7, 0.8, 22.66 and 12.17. So write decimal point put in same row such that 63.5. Next number is 9.7. 0.8, 22.66, 12.17. Add it. Students, here some decimals have 2 decimal places and some decimals have only 1 decimal places. So first of all, change this in like decimals. So most number of decimal places is 2. So all decimals change into 2 decimal places. So 63.5, keep 0, 50, 2 digits. 9.70, change into like decimals, and 0.80. Now add it. 0, 6 plus 7, 3, 13 of 3, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 1, 28. Of 8, carry 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18 of 8, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 6. 6 to 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Now check again. 0, 6, 6 plus 7, 13 of 3, carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 8, 8. 21. 21 plus 6, 27. 27 plus 1, 28 of 8, carry 2. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 to 16. 16 to 18. 18 of 8, carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 to 9. 6 plus 1, 7. And 7 to 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Sorry. 108.83 answer of this question. Write it. Next question is question number 8. Add 9.09, 0.909, 99.9, 9.99, 0.099. Add them. Write first decimal number is 9.09 and second is 0.909. Next 99.9. 99.9. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And fourth 9.99. 9.99. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Fifth 0.099. Here largest decimal places 1 to 3 decimal places. So all decimals change into 3 decimal places. So 9.090, 99.900 and 9.99. So it's changed into 9.990. Now add it. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 of 8. Carry 1. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 27 plus 1. 28. Carry 2. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 27 plus 2. 29. 29 of 9. Carry 2. Decimal. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 27 plus 2. 29. 9 of 29 of 9. 29 of 9. Carry 2. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. 11. 9 plus 2. 11. Now 199.988. Again check it. 9 plus 9. 18 of 8. Carry 1. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 27 plus 1. 28 of 8. Carry 2. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 27 plus 2. 29. 29 of 9. Carry 2. 9 plus 9 plus 9. 27. 27 plus 2. 29. 29 of 9. Carry 2. 9 plus 2. 11. 119.988 answer. Write it. Students, next questions related to word problem from subtraction. In question number 17, take out 5.746. Take out 5.746 from 9.1. Take out 5.746 from 9.1. What is remaining answer? So first of all write 9.8. sorry 9.1. Subtract from 9.10 5.746 minus, now 9.1 change into like decimals, so highest decimal places is 3 decimal places, 7, 4, 6. So here also change say 3 decimal places, 9.1, 0 and 0. Now subtract them. 0 minus 6, that means 1 borrow. So 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here meaning 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Now I add 10. 1 tens, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. Now decimal 8. After borrowing, 9 change into 8. So 8 minus 5, 3. So 3.354 answer. Check it. 6 plus 4, 10 of 0. 5 plus 4, 9 plus 1, 10 of 0. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. 1. Carry 1. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. Right? Now next question is, what is to be added? Students, care here. What is to be added to 63.58 to get 92? Here also subtract 63.58 from 92. So write it and solve it also. Let the required number be x. What is to be added? So 63.58 plus x. 63.58 plus 8. 63.58 plus x to get 92. So equal to 92. Now x equal to 92 minus 63.58 equal to, that implies x equal to where? Subtract. So 92 change into 2 decimal place. So 92.00. Subtract minus 63.58. Minus 63.58. 10 minus 8, 2. Here 9 minus 5, 4. Decimal point 1. That means 11 by 3, 8. 8 minus 6, 2. 28.42. So answer is 28.42. Answer of this question. Write it. Students, next and last question is question number 21. By how much should 74.3 be decreased to get 26.87? So let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Let the required number be x. Then according to question, by how much should 74.3 be decreased? That means subtract. So 74.3 decrease x equal to, result is 26.87. Students, minus x by transposition change into plus x. So 74.3 equal to 26.87 plus x. Now x equal to 26.8 by transposition change into minus 26.8. So 74.3 it change into like decimal, so 30 minus 26.87 minus 26.87. Here subtract it. 10 minus 7, 3. Here 2, once 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 8, 4. Point. Here 3, once 10 borrowing, so 1 10 10, 10 plus 3, 13. 13 minus 6, 7. And now here 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 47.43. Again check. 10 minus 7, 3. 12 minus 8, 4. Now 13 minus 6, 7. And here 6 minus 2, 4. Answer. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 3B. Revise exercise 3B. Students, today your homework is revise exercise 3B. Thank you. That's all.